In the digital age, visual content plays a key role in attracting attention on social media. With Canva's integration into ChatGPT, creating logos, banners, and other visuals has become easier and more accessible, especially for those just starting out in graphic design. I recently learned about an amazing new feature. This opens up amazing possibilities for creating logos, banners, and more. To get started, simply download the free Canva plugin from the ChatGPT plugin store. I tried creating visuals by simply describing to ChatGPT what I needed. For example, me wrote, "I have a coffee shop. Create templates that I can use on Instagram." After that, I told the GPT chat, "My coffee shop has a page on Facebook. Create Facebook banner related to my activities." Here is the result you can see on the screen. It was not only simple, but also very fast. Perfect for social media. I also tried to create a logo for my coffee shop, and the results exceeded all expectations. The great thing is that I didn't have to spend a lot of money on these designs. These templates can be further edited directly in Canva if needed. I was happy with the result. I simply exported it by clicking on the Share button and then Download in the top right corner. This tool, in my opinion, will be especially useful for graphic designers. I recommend everyone to check out this feature and use it for their projects. I highly recommend anyone who works with visual content to try this amazing feature. This will not only make your work easier, but will also help unleash your creativity. Don't forget to share your successes and new projects. Lastly, I'd love to hear about your experiences with Canva and ChatGPT. What projects have you created using these tools? Which features did you like best? Share your stories in the comments.